this from the bottom. Are you running?
Yeah, might as well get some B-roll.
Okay, B-roll. Okay. So here are continuing our discussion. This is what these imitation crab meat kind of items are, and they're high in cholesterol. And let's see, 110 calories, and
What is it?
well, it's an imitation crab meat.
Yeah, but if they're imitating crab, what is it?
Oh, you want to know what's in it?
Yeah, like what is it made of?
I'm gonna have to
It's not
check, because whatever it's in it, they put it in small print, and there's about 1 million things in there. So it's not a short subject. Let's see here. Fat is 3% fat, and no saturated fat, which is pretty good. Cholesterol 3%. Sodium's 20. Total carbs is 7.
What are they?
Fiber is 0. Added sugars is 10. And vitamin D, calc, iron, and potassium is all 0 except for the potassium. That's 6%. So it's got a lot of that in it. So what the way I eat this is with the seafood sauce. And I'll try to get some out of this stubborn bottle here. There, we're getting a little cooperation. So, got that. And there we got the imitation seafood crab stick, and there we have the seafood sauce. Call it cocktail sauce. Well, it's pretty good. So a lot of the food that I eat out is things that I've never had before or wouldn't normally purchase from the grocery store, but this I do once in a while.
How'd you find out about this?
I always did like the cocktail sauce, put it on fish or whatever. It's just a natural step. You don't have to cook this. You just open the package and eat it. And with the sauce, it tastes pretty good. You can add some crackers or something to it.